Wow, this is the brand new AKWA IBOM Air in AKWA IBOM State in Nigeria. Wow, this is very, I know, we're going to use this aircraft to fly from one location to another state in Nigeria in various airports. Wow, if you're first time watching KC, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the like button. Please book a flight with this airline. You can fly from location to another. Always book your ticket, check the time, and it's very important when you're flying booking your ticket. Thank you for watching. Look at inside. What do you think about inside? Wow, this is interesting. Thank you. Take care. Bye. One love. Hello guys, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe for the channel. We're ready to give you a little bit of. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe for the channel. Leave your comment below the video. Thank you for watching. You're gonna look for the YouTube channel, subscribe for the channel, and keep on clicking the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel. We're ready to give you a little bit of entertainment. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye and take care. One more love.